everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting trends in sustainable architecture, the salvage container home. Imagine taking a rugged, weathered shipping container that has traveled the world's oceans and transforming it into a sleek, industrial chic masterpiece nestled right in your garden. Whether you're looking for a minimalist guest house, a creative studio, or a full-scale eco-friendly residence, these metallic shells offer a blank canvas for some of the most innovative designs in the modern world. A salvage container home is a residential structure repurposed from used steel shipping containers, often sourced from shipyards or industrial graveyards. Choosing a salvage approach specifically means giving a second life to materials that would otherwise sit rusting, making it one of the most environmentally responsible ways to build. Beyond the green factor, these structures are favored for their incredible structural integrity. They are designed to withstand the harshest maritime conditions, making them naturally resistant to fire, pests, and extreme weather. Additionally, the modular nature of containers allows for a Lego-like building process, where you can stack, offset, or combine units to create a unique architectural silhouette that stands out from traditional brick-and-mortar homes. There are so many things you can repurpose as a one-of-a-kind container. Whether you're looking to create a bathtub planter, toolbox planter, wheelbarrow planter, or something totally original, think outside the terracotta pot with these stylish alternatives. One box flowering kale. Using repetition and contrasting colors can create a striking visual appeal in your garden. Plant ornamental kale in a distressed wooden box to make a bold statement with its vibrant hues and textured foliage. This setup not only looks beautiful, but also provides a rustic charm to your outdoor space. 2. Galvanized tub planter. Galvanized tubs are versatile planters that fit beautifully into various garden styles, from cozy cottage gardens to sleek, modern landscapes. Their durable construction makes them suitable for outdoor use, and they develop a charming weathered patina over time. Consider planting herbs, flowers, or small shrubs for a full and attractive display. 3. Bathtub planter. Give an old bathtub a new lease on life by transforming it into a serene water garden. Install a working showerhead or fountain feature to keep the water circulating, which prevents stagnation and supports a healthy aquatic environment. Consider adding water plants like water lilies or irises for a lush, vibrant display. 4. Toolbox planter. Antique toolboxes provide a chic, rustic home for succulents, which thrive on minimal watering. These hardy plants are ideal for wooden containers as the low moisture needed helps preserve the toolbox. Experiment with different succulent varieties for a varied and low-maintenance display. 5. Wheelbarrow planter. Transform an old wheelbarrow into a whimsical planter that doubles as a boundary for a fairy garden village. For balance and effective drainage, line the bottom with pebbles before adding soil. This not only stabilizes the wheelbarrow but also helps to prevent waterlogging, ensuring your plants thrive. 6. Gutter planter. Repurpose old gutters into striking container gardens. Their design efficiently handles water flow, making them perfect for outdoor use and able to withstand various weather conditions. They're excellent for growing cascading plants or herbs and can be installed along a deck railing to maximize space and sun exposure. 7. Barrel planter. An antique barrel can be transformed into an eye-catching planter that's ideal for tall, deep-rooted plants like tomatoes or roses. Arrange multiple barrels in a row to naturally define a path or garden border. The large capacity of barrels allows for ample plant growth, making them both practical and decorative. 8. Hanging planter. Think vertically when exploring salvaged containers for your garden. Repurpose an old floor lampstand by adding a dose of color with paint, and use colanders or metal grates as creative plant holders. Secure tall planters by anchoring them with stakes driven into the ground. This setup ensures stability and adds height and visual interest to your outdoor space. 9. Boot planter. Instead of discarding old boots, upcycle them into quirky garden planters. Use colorful rain boots to add a cheerful touch that complements your garden's design. Punch a few drainage holes in the soles to prevent waterlogging and fill them with your favorite flowers or herbs. 10. Rustic chicken feeder. Bring a touch of rustic charm to your garden by reimagining a galvanized chicken feeder as a planter. This quirky container is perfect for showcasing trailing plants or herbs and serves as a delightful conversation starter. Its durable metal construction ensures it weathers outdoor conditions while adding character to your garden. 11. Pretty painted wooden box. Revitalize a wooden box with a fresh coat of paint to create a standout container for your garden. Experiment with bold colors to add a personal touch and infuse your outdoor space with personality. If you change your mind, simply repaint it to match your evolving style or garden theme. 12. Oil-free oil can. Transform an oil can into a charming planter perfect for small garden spaces or tabletop displays. Thoroughly clean the can to remove any leftover oil residue, ensuring a safe environment for planting colorful blooms. Its compact size makes it a versatile option for patios or balconies. 13. Green enamelware. Enamelware is a vintage treasure often found at flea markets, available in an assortment of colors, patterns, and sizes. Ideal for creating nostalgic and attractive planters, these pieces add a vintage flair to your garden. Use them for anything from herbs to small floral arrangements. 14. Sewing desk drawer. Repurpose old sewing desk drawers into unique planters for displaying vibrant, spring-blooming bulbs in your garden. These drawers provide ample space for bulb planting and can add a quaint vintage charm to your outdoor decor. 15. Steel pillars of herbs. Take your herb garden to new heights by using discarded steel rods as vertical planters near your outdoor kitchen. Sand down any rough edges for safety. These inventive planters not only save space but also position your herbs conveniently close for fresh garden-to-table cooking. As we've seen today, a little bit of rust and a lot of imagination can result in a living space that is as durable as it is beautiful. Salvage container homes prove that luxury isn't about how much you spend on raw materials, but how you design the space to harmonize with the environment around it. By embracing the industrial textures and the compact efficiency of these units, you can create a home that feels both intimate and infinitely modern. It's about more than just a roof over your head. It's about a lifestyle of sustainability and creative freedom. If you're feeling inspired to start your own container home journey, or just love seeing incredible architectural transformations, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to Garden Decor Designs and click the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into unique home and garden projects. Comment below. Which container layout was your favorite? We'd love to hear your thoughts.